Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 5th of August 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the Mexican wind sector could unlock a private investment of more than $6.5 billion to support the development pipeline in the country. About 30 projects in the pipeline have defined property and reserve income agreements in place, which add up to a total capacity of 5,000 megawatts. While there are positive signs and greater interest on the part of the private companies, there are specific issues which still must be overcome. The legal certainty, the publication of detailed electricity regulations, and the state of the grid interconnection queue will be decisive in capitalizing on the current opportunity. While wind power has long been held as a pillar of the country's clean energy future, recent government data show that its actual installed capacity in the Philippines has remained stagnant for years. The country's total installed wind energy capacity has remained flat at 427 megawatts from the end of the Duterte administration in 2022 through the first 3 years of Marcos' term in 2025. Brazil connected 106 megawatts of wind and solar power generation capacity to the grid in July. The added capacity comprises 3 new wind farms with a combined capacity of 61 megawatts and 145-megawatt solar park. During the first 7 months of the year, the domestic electricity system grew by more than 4,200 megawatts of new capacity across different technologies, including 898.9 megawatts of wind. The European Commission has given a nod to an €11 billion French state aid scheme. It is focused on the construction and operation of 3 floating offshore wind farms with a combined capacity of about 1,500 megawatts. The projects are part of efforts to accelerate the EU's clean energy transition and strengthen local clean tech industries. Each wind farm is expected to have a capacity of around 500 megawatts and an annual output of around 2.2 terawatt-hours. Portugal's national grid operator, Rede das Energeticas Nacionais, recently announced that the country's renewable energy plants met 54% of the national electricity consumption in July. Wind power led the way by covering 22%, followed by solar, which supplied 17.5%. Overall, electricity consumption grew by 3.8%. During the first 7 months of the year, renewables have met 74% of the nation's power needs. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.